Hey Feasters, and welcome to episode 188. And how do you position yourself as an expert to your leads? Do you do what the 80% do? I hope not. So today I'm going to tell you how to raise yourself above that 80%. Welcome to the Ask Rezzz podcast. I'm Jason, and I'm here to help you get past those bumps in the road, those struggles, those things that hold you back from building an amazing and profitable freelance business each and every single day. This is the midway point in a 5-part series called Stop the Cycle, where I ask you a question and then you get the actionable item to take away with you at the end of the show to help your sales and marketing so that you are on the way to stop having the feast and famine kill your business. What if you could give your leads an experience that positions you as an expert? I ran a highly scientific and analytical poll on Twitter, and the results came back with an overwhelming answer. 79% of the people do not have a follow-up process in their sales. I'm half joking about the highly scientific and analytical poll, but I did run this poll on Twitter, and the answer was that there was no follow-up process in 80% of the people that answered this poll. This is a shame because it's really so simple and very powerful when done. I'm just going to paint you a picture here, and you tell me if this is you. When you get a new lead, you have a call and then send a proposal. A few days go by, you don't hear anything. Then you send an email to them saying, hey, I just wanted to check in and see if you had any questions about the proposal. Looking forward to talking with you. Is this you? If so, you did exactly what everyone else does, proven simply by the stats of the poll. You want to be respected as an expert, right? By writing this email, you've completely put yourself right in the bucket of all the flaky, desperate, and laborer freelancers. Instead, I want you to replace your lame email with one that shares a link to a useful article and send it to your lead. I have no doubt that you're reading industry articles, watching videos, listening to podcasts, and then using that information that you get as a part of your conversations to talk with leads during your sales process in hopes that they sign with you. Well, send them those links. It positions you as someone who is an expert, keeps up to date on your expertise, and someone who isn't desperate for work. It shows your prospect that you are providing value even when you're not getting paid. It sparks even more interest and intrigue in you that they'll want to work with you even more. No one wants to work with someone who's desperate. You don't want to be around those kinds of people. The thing is, leads can smell it a mile away. If you want to stand out from among the crowd, from among the 80% of other freelancers out there, provide value in your follow-up. It will define you as an expert that leads want to work with. Over the years, I've built a proven follow-up sequence in various stages of the sales process that continually adds value and growing the education for the leads. Join Curtis McHale and myself in a workshop called Stop the Cycle, and I'll walk you through it completely. And not just will I walk you through it, you'll actually get the sequence, the delays, the actual content as well. During the workshop, Curtis and I pull back what we've done in our sales processes that have let us build 6-figure businesses without working 60-hour work weeks. If you haven't already done so, head on over to rezz.com/stopthecycle to learn about the details of the workshop and all the resources for you and how you will stop the feast and famine from killing your business. Again, that's rezz.com/stopthecycle. Until next time, it's your time to live in the feast.